will give you clearance, and the doors will open towards you. Please stand by. And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you Tannelier Tavon's private office.
One step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I carefully scrutinize
each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy. And after that, let's mute this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ow! That was not part of the plan. What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance, and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Oh. I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
Sunlight's here. Thanks, everybody. See ya.
We are out of here. Hey, guys!
Why are you thinking that? We barely touched it. We did nothing. We did all the fighting. It did not help us at all.
My dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
Rocket, unplug you and start things up. Now show me those hands, people. You got clearance. Let's roll. Okay.
Sunlight's here. Thanks, everybody. See ya.
Why are you thinking that? We barely touched it. We did nothing. We did all the fighting. It did not help us at all. You should be thanking me.
My dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
Rocket, unplug you and start things up. Clearance. Let's roll.
Sunlight's here. Thanks, everybody. See ya.
Why are you thinking that? We barely touched it. We did nothing. We did all the fighting. It did not help us at all. You should be thanking me.
My dear friends, This is the moment you have been waiting for.
Why do you think you did? Barely sat there. It did nothing. We did all our fighting. It did not help us at all. Should be thinking me. Make tremors.
My dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
Why do you think you did? It barely sat there. It did nothing. We did all the fighting. It did not help us at all. Should be thinking me. Make tremors.
My dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
here. Thanks, everybody. See ya.
Why do you think they did? They managed nothing. They did nothing. We did all the fighting. They're not helping us at all. You think we need?
Where are all my collectibles? Where are